changes. What is the word of the day namhlanje? Word of the day. Okungenzeki kubantu kuye kuyenze. Kusho ukuthi lokho possibilities are infinite in the universe. Because if you are not in him or her, you are going to be limited, and you are only going to think what you already know. You will be limited by the scope of your mind because you are not in him. In him, possibilities are infinite. Even something that they say will never ever happen, it will happen in him. So that is why they say okungenzeki kubantu kuye kuyenzeka is alpha and omega. So what does that mean? When we are operating in alpha, there is something called omega. Alpha is limited by space and time. Omega is an infinite universe, multiverses, every possibilities that can happen under the sun in this universe. That is omega. So if you are operating in omega, it means you are in him and nothing is impossible. That is why possibilities are infinite in the universe. Uyawazi kumqondo wakho ukuthi usebenza ngani nge-evidence. Kumele ukwazi ukuthi uthathe isinqumo nge-faith. Faith is not the absence of fear, but acting in despite of fear.